Right. October 24th. October 24th. It's 5 o'clock in the evening after a day's rain. And after 1 hour of digging to relieve the drainage system that I had created. That's okay, I'll walk. It's okay, I'll do what I normally do. I'll just... No, I'm going to walk through it. That shows nothing. This is more appropriate because you can see that my feet are quite clearly underwater. And it's cold. And as you can see, the ripple effects. Ah, crap, there goes my jammies. That's what I'm doing, I'm creating the ripple. Oh, wait now, I'll create a couple of ripples here. Let's see. That's just the back. And all the way over a channel. You can see the water moves clearly underneath. Yuck! Don't go my ass. The water's here. This is the ditch. This is where they filled in.
Where are you?
I'm up here, just showing where the water hasn't to go. All filled in, nowhere for it to go. Land there higher, you can quite clearly see, than our land. Therefore it's draining down on top of us. As you can see from here. Water is coming in from the other side.